Hey everybody, just a short video showing some of the progress we've made on our printer that's up and coming. We're printing right now at about 350 millimeters per second on average. That means that we're hitting peaks and valleys a little bit beyond and a little bit under that. But like it is right now, we're printing at about 350 millimeters per second, and the print quality is really good. New hot end design, new air system, new mechanics, and yeah, it's printing amazing. We've been running this through the gauntlet of tests, and it's pretty superb. But just wanted to show a quick little video of our new printer design. I know we've been talking a little bit about the Creality Mac, K1 Max, and we've been talking about Bamboo and things like that, but this is a printer that we've made from virtually scratch, and we're working on other programming and other mechanics for it right now as well. So just wanted to show that to you. It's just doing some infill right now, just kind of some fun as it's going, so just a lot of fun. But I thought you guys would enjoy seeing just an average print that we're doing with this machine, and this is just an average speed. We can crank up the speed for a lot faster results, but as you increase in speed, you can decrease in quality. So right now our max is about 600 millimeters per second with A+ quality. So that's kind of where we're at right now, and yeah, we're just having some fun breaking in this printer, seeing how the programming all works. This is running Klipper. It's kind of running our own flavor of Klipper on this. We've done a lot of modifications to it, the profile to main cell, and we're pretty proud of where we're at right now. So right now it's printing perimeters, so you can see how fast she's going on printing perimeters, and she just finished with printing the infill. So our travel speeds on this are about 3,000 millimeters per second. Travel speeds we can hit in excess of 5,000 on travel speeds. But for this part, it's just a test part that we're doing. It's just kind of showing some of the speeds that we can reach. And it's pretty fun. Hope you guys enjoyed this short little, like 2.5-3 minute video. But leave me any comments. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks a lot. This is Corey with LD3D. Thank you.